Citrix Computer Labs in the College of Engineering at the University of Arkansas. To begin with, I'd like to give you three important pieces of information that you'll need. The first is an email address, ineghelp@uark.edu. If you have any problems using the computer labs, you should send an email describing your problem to this address. We'll respond to you quickly and get your issue resolved for you. The second item is our IT FAQ page. This is where you can get the Citrix Workspace client, and it's also where you can watch this video and others like it. And then the third option is the actual Citrix storefront, https://ctx-storefront.uark.edu. And this is the location that you'll go to actually connect to and use the computer labs themselves. So the first step is to install the Citrix Workspace, and to do that I'm going to go to our IT FAQ page, and we have a workspace for Windows and a workspace for Mac. We're using a Mac, so I'm going to download this one, and I'm going to let it be opened with the disk image mounter. Notice here that I'm using Firefox for this demonstration. You could use Chrome or Safari. Either way, they would all work. They work equally well with the Citrix. So I'm just double clicking this to install it, and I'm just going to take all of the default options. This is a very simple install. It will ask you for an administrative credential at some point, I think. All right, that's installed. The next step is to go to the Citrix storefront and connect to the labs. Here you'll need to put in your university username and password. And you don't need to put the @uark.edu at the end, just put in your username. First time you log in, it'll ask you to detect receiver. Just click on that and then choose already installed. On this page, you'll see three options: Home, Apps, Desktops. If you click on those, you'll see Apps and you'll see Desktops. Most people use desktops. There's a variety of different desktop labs that we have. Depending on the courses you're taking, you may see one or more of these, but you probably won't see them all. You'll notice that I've starred the Faust lab, and because I've started, it shows up on my home page. If I want to use a particular lab or a particular app, all I do is click on it, and it'll connect up to my Citrix receiver, or Citrix workspace, I should say. like to run this full screen because I want to be able to see the entire computer here. The first time you connect, it takes a little bit. Subsequent connections are quicker. The first time it's building a special profile for you. This one should go pretty quickly because I've already connected to it with this account. Now once you're logged in, the easiest way to use the lab is to just select one of these folders here on the desktop. All of the applications that are installed on this system that you need are in one of these folders. So just double click a folder and everything is right here. If there's anything from Microsoft Office to any program that you might need for your coursework should already be installed here for you. I'm just going to open one program really quickly. And so let's assume that you've done your lab session, you've used the applications that you need to use, and you're ready to be finished. There's a couple ways you can do that. If you're going to come back soon, you can just disconnect. Your lab session will stay running, and if you reconnect, you'll be right back to the same computer. But if you're done for good, then the option is down here with the right mouse button, and then you pick. It doesn't matter which one. Sign out, shut down, restart. They all do the same thing. They take this computer that you're currently using, and they literally shut it down and throw it away. It gets replaced with a new computer. And that's really all there is to using the lab system. So wish you the best.